Hi, I'm Abdul Malik. This is a day in the life of a college dropout. I have dropped out of college to build my startup and I'm documenting the journey to showcase what it requires to start a startup. Recently, I had the incredible opportunity to be invited to the Soonicorn Summit hosted by Economic Times. It brought together unicorn founders, HNIs, VCs, and even Dr. Sharan Prakash, the Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship from Karnataka.
A few moments later.
Still running late to the event. Let's catch up fast. My batch. Let's head to the event right now.
Hi,
Say hi and introduce yourself.
I'm Rian, an 18-year-old from Bangalore, a city that has inspired my passion towards business and technology. And I'm building a platform where I try to organize the Kirana sector. And this is all about me, still at the ideation stage. But let's see where we go.
Guys, this is 3,25,000 man. What are your views on this?
No idea, man. No idea. It's just a surprise. Maybe a guy who got funding, a hell lot of funding.
Or just
Writing for the
signing.
checks.
Yeah. Do you have any idea what's this?
No.
Looks nice though.
Namaskara. Good morning, Bengaluru. Obviously, one of the main themes for the rest of today. I just want to call out one other theme that we are super bullish on at 361, and that is Make in India.
Good morning, everybody, and definitely it's a great pleasure being here in this summit.
And Sameer Na, Chief Investment Officer, PE and VC 361 Asset, to join Mr. Minister. This report maps Karnataka's dual speed innovation economy. Right, gone back in time. All right, so that's a honest. And
say something and express something to everyone here. You know, as entrepreneurs, there was a certain joy of building something new. Standing in between the lunch, right?
Are we sure we'll be getting food here?
We will plan off.
How's food?
We will try. Let's see. How is it?
Twelve seconds later.
We're done with the lunch. Let's head back to the event.
Ago, they created a ministry of AI. You know, and it's planning its IPO in the next 18 to 24 months. That's the kind of time horizon. And Ether just completed successfully this.
That's what we're excited by. So today we've started to retail. Several hundreds of vehicles have started to ship to all of these 10 different European countries. We're shipping.
What is it that, I mean, you saw massive growth during COVID.
A wonderful hamper by ET. What's inside? cut this. I'm done with the event. Let's head back to the home and I'll tell you about the event. What are the insights?
One eternity later.
Alright, perfect. It was a wonderful session and insightful session at Soonicorn Summit. Many unicorn founders spoke about the rapid development of AI and opportunities it is unlocking for startups and for India. People can either be victims of AI or winners of AI. The choice is ours. Also, it was encouraging to see how government of Karnataka is actively supporting early stage founders like us with the required grants, mentorship, and the ecosystem that they need to grow. Bangalore truly is a happening city with enormous opportunities waiting to be tapped. For me, being in that environment was unreal. Just a few months ago, I was doubting my idea, and now I'm networking with people who have built unicorns. It showed me that I'm on the right path, even if it's hard. This journey is just beginning. I'll keep sharing my wins, struggles, and the lessons so that you can see what it really takes to build a startup from scratch. If this inspired you, share it with someone who dreams of building too. Let's grow this community together.